Hi there, okay, doing good. So here I'm with here I'm with an update. So I just want to show you that the manual controls given in here are one of your solutions. So in case, let me just refresh the file and then get back. Okay, so just refreshing the file, and as you can see, you are right. The Torani is not working. This should automatically start working as soon as the next day's sheet will get like basically everything we are updating every day. So I'm just refreshing the formula. So in case in future, if you see that and any of the cell or day is not working, not getting the data for the summaries specifically. So here you can go into the manual control, and here you can find the update summary sheets. So this will update all the summary sheets for the value. So what I'll do, I'll just click on it. This won't harm anything, but it will fill out. It will just basically refresh the formulas on all the summary tabs, and this process will also perform every time we are creating a new tab, like 421, 422, 423. So this should update the values shortly. You can see all the fields just got updated, and now you can see Turani. So this is how you can update. So this is how you can update the. Sorry for the pause. My mic is getting mute. Okay, so this is how you can update the spends and sales in case if you are unable to see. So this is the, and there are other controls as well. For example, if you cannot see today's dates sheet, you can always click on this create new sheet, and yep, create today's sheet, sorry, this one, and hide and sales spend. So this is for the dashboard. Just uncheck any of the box and go to the manual control, and hide sales spend tab with the data. Um, Sorry, this one is basically for these tabs. So like if there are any visible tab which has the data in it and you don't want to see that, you can always manually hide those as well. So create new today's sheet like 422, 423. So on my side, it's 422. So if I'll click on today's sheet, it will create today's 2020 422 sheets. A bit slow, I don't know for some reasons. And similarly, okay, an inventory management, update all the essence from the all summaries. So this is basically for, you can see the 422 sales is there, and the 422 spend will also be there here. Okay, so this one is basically for inventory management, update all the essence. So what happens when you update this management FB inventory? If you input a new entry in here and you just want to, or maybe you have added a new SN in the summary tab. So for this sheet, this menu is basically for this sheet. So if you see like any SN is missing or just a precautionary measure, you can always click on this. So this will update this sheet as well. So yep, that is it from my side.